How to create AI generated animation using Goku AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your web browsing application. For me, it's Google. On the Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI and it will get you to this platform. Here, you have to tap into the profile icon from the top right corner and select AI image generator. You have to enter a prompt, for example, create a undertree city. Let's write it and tap on generate. Here you can see the result. To make it into animation, you have to tap on select an image editing option. Here you have to tap on animate. Then it turns the image into animation. And that's it. Now you know how to create AI generated animation using Goku AI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.